use your fingerprints to unlock the device.
Just use your fingerprint. And here is the card, hold to the reader and pay. Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you 4 ways to easy pay with your Samsung phone. Of course from the lock screen. So the first one, for that just press and hold on the lock screen. Now use your fingerprint to unlock it, and here we have the camera icon. If you tap on it, you can change this icon with the wallet. Tap here and now as you can see we have here the wallet. Now tap done, and to pay just swipe, use your fingerprint and hold to the reader, and that's all. So it's very easy to do it. Now the second one, for that you can use the side button. First we need to do some settings. Just press and hold the volume down and the side button. Tap on side button settings, and here we have double press. Tap on it. Now it's selected camera, and if you go to apps and tap on settings, you can choose from here wallet, as you can see. Now if you exit and lock the screen, just double press on the side button, use your fingerprint, and as you can see the card appears, hold to the reader and pay. Now the third way, for that you can use also Bixby. How to do it? First you need to set the Samsung Assistant Bixby, and then just say hi Bixby. Open the wallet.
First, use your fingerprints to unlock the device.
Just use your fingerprint, and here is the card, hold to the reader and pay. And now the last way, for that you can use also the edge panel. First you need to do also here some settings. Tap on the edit button and look for wallet. Tap on it to add it here. Now you can move it to the top like this. Here there is, okay. And now if you lock your screen and swipe to the edge panel, tap on it, use your fingerprint and pay. So we have 4 ways to easy pay with your Samsung phone. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.